Yeah, I'm just out here, man, just taking a quick ride. Not sure, I don't have any real plans to go nowhere, but it nice, about 73, 74 degrees. Feeling good. Got most of the festivities out the way yesterday, so today is just a chill day before I go back to work. And yeah, this, man, beautiful day. This area is windy as hell. Not my favorite area to ride in out here because of the wind. So I'm gonna go and take a detour. Loose gravel. I can rub her ass out now. She's has her checkup, 6-month checkup. Rubbing this bitch out now. Yeah, you gotta know the sweet spot on her, man. Woo! You hit that spot, and she likes it. She likes it a lot. I'm getting my ride in early today. Yeah, I do really enjoy riding this motorcycle. Be careful, watch out for horses over here. Watch out for the horses. I'm hungry, y'all. Damn, it's a nice house out here. That's what I need, a 3-car garage. I can ride on this road all day long. Oh shoot, I didn't know I could go back down that way too. Man, this road right here is a road that you like. It's so good. There's not a ton of, you know, curves, things like that, but you can do little pulls on it all day. Yes. Yo, I don't know if I'm hungry. I am hungry. But I can't eat McDonald's, man. I can't eat McDonald's today. I refuse to. I should give me some more sushi. Get a little bit more sushi. Oh, Taco Bell? Taco Bell. Bro. Yeah, I'm not feeling the Taco Bell. Taco Bell run? Yeah, we're gonna take a Taco Bell run. It's not much open today. You guys go to the drive-thru on your motorcycles? This is my first time doing it. Starving. I didn't eat today yet. It's 12 o'clock.
Hello, how are you?
Good, and you?
I'm good, thank you. What can I get for you?
Can I get a Chalupa Supreme?
And did you want that beef?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And can I get onions in it too?
Okay.
And then I'll do a small thing. I don't even know. I'll just do a small water with it.
A water?
Yes,
Okay.
please. Yep. And that's it.
Any taco sauce?
I'll do hot, please.
All right. And if everything is correct, 453 at the central window.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I got the water because I did not want to dehydrate today. Hello.
453?
All right. I got a water. I'm not going to do the water because I don't have a cup holder.
We do have bottles too.
What was it?
We got bottles.
You got bottles? I'm going to do a bottle. Yeah, that'd be awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you lifesaver. Thank you. Have a great one. You too. Alright, scooter heads, do you guys enjoy Taco Bell? If not, where's your favorite place to go to when you're out riding your motorcycle for a quick bite? Let me know, drop in the comment section. If you like Taco Bell, what is it that you order at Taco Bell? What's your favorite Taco Bell joint? Mine is definitely the chalupas. Alright, y'all. I will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Y'all be safe, be blessed. Peace.